Trading is frickin' hard. It is really hard. It is. If it wasn't, everybody would do it, but everybody doesn't do it, and there's a heck of a lot of people who have tried to do it, and then they've failed. Well, here you are. You're trying it. You're not failing because you're still trying it. And so if it gets hard, you wind up making a bunch of mistakes. I can pretty much assure you that no matter what mistake you've made, I haven't made at least twice. So you're not failing unless you quit. Just don't quit. Believe in yourself. I will give you all the tools that you need. I don't have any magic secret indicators that make you think that I have the keys to the kingdom and I'm almost going to give them to you, but not quite. Okay, that's not the way we roll. I'm trying to help you change your behavior for the better so that you can get on with your life and get the kind of financial security that few people have, but that you can have. And I wrote on a Post-it in 2006, I remember writing, if I will do what others are unwilling to do, there will come a day when I can do what others are unable to do. And that's my challenge to you. Suck it up. This is hard. Suck it up. Don't quit. You're almost there. You're getting there. Every day is a new day. Every day is an opportunity to make new mistakes, to screw up. And every day is also an opportunity to fix those screw-ups, write stuff down, journal, think about trading, and always be thinking, why am I doing what I'm doing? Why am I trading? Am I trading for entertainment? That's great. You know what you do then? You're playing the market. Oh, I like to play the market. What's everybody playing today? Or you can say, I'm a flippin' mercenary here and I'm here to make money. I want to get a repeatable strategy and I want to get really good at it. I don't want to be a jack of all trades. I want to be a master of one. And if you can do that, you will master your life.